Let's learn about fish and animals that breathe water and can weigh 5,000 pounds. What is a fish? What kind of animal can live in hot desert spring water or in the freezing water of the Antarctic? What animal can live in a shallow mud pond or the deepest part of the sea? Fish can. Antarctic ice fish can live in water below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Desert pupfish can live in water that is hotter than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Fish are animals that live and breathe in water. Some fish live in the fresh water of lakes and streams. Some fish live in the salt water of oceans. A few fish can live in both kinds of water. All fishes are vertebrates. Most fish have a covering of scales to protect their bodies. All fish are cold-blooded animals that live in the water. This means their body temperature is same as water temperature. They have backbones, fins, and gills. Fish come in more varieties than any other group of vertebrate animals. There are three major types or classes of fish, including jawless, cartilaginous, and bony fish. Many fish swim in groups. Schools of fish can swim together for long distances and may be chased by predators. They breathe water. All fish have gills that allow them to breathe water. Just like we use our lungs to exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide from the air, the gills of a fish perform a similar function from water. So fish still need oxygen to live, they just get it from the water instead of the air. Kinds of fish. There are about 25,000 species of fishes. Fish come in all sizes. The huge whale shark can be 40 feet long. The tiny goby is only 0.4 inch long. Most fish are called jawed fish. Hagfish and lampreys are jawless fish. They are more like eels. Eels are fish that look like snakes. Jawless fish do not have fins, scales, or jaws with teeth. All other fish have jaws. There are bony-jawed fish and cartilaginous-jawed fish. Bony fish have skeletons made of bone. Cartilaginous fish have a softer material called cartilage instead of bone. Sharks, rays, and chimeras are cartilaginous fish. How fish swim. Most fish use their side, back, and tail fins for swimming. Fins are movable, fan-like parts. A fish moves through the water by swinging its tail fins back and forth. A fish uses its other fins to steer and to stop. Sometimes the other fins also help it go fast through the water. Most fishes have bodies shaped like a torpedo. Their bodies are pointed at the head and at the tail. This streamlined body helps fish speed through water. Sailfish can swim as fast as 70 miles per hour. Some fish have unusual shapes. Rays have flat, disc-shaped bodies. Large fins like wings go out from a ray's head. To swim, rays flap the fins. Most fish also have swim bladders. They fill their swim bladders with air. Their air-filled swim bladders act like life jackets. They keep the fish from sinking to the bottom. How fish breathe. You have lungs for breathing. Most fish have gills for breathing. Gills have thin tubes that carry blood. As water goes into a fish's mouth, it passes over the gills. The gills take oxygen out of the water. All animals must have oxygen to live. Blood in the gills picks up the oxygen and takes it everywhere in the fish's body. A waste gas called carbon dioxide also goes out of the fish's body through the gills. The lungfish can breathe air. Most lungfishes rise to the water's surface to breathe. Some get oxygen from the water. Fish senses. Fish have a great sense of smell. They use their sense of smell to find food. Most fish can see. Fish that live at the bottom of the sea in total darkness cannot see. Some do not have eyes. Fish can also feel things in the water around them. They can feel things before they can see them. They can tell if a big, dangerous fish that might eat them is coming near. Minnows can tell when another minnow is being attacked. The skin of the minnow in danger gives off a chemical. The chemical warns other minnows to escape. Skin chemicals also help fish swim in groups called schools. By sensing skin chemicals, the fish in a school can all turn, stop, or swim away at one time. Biggest, smallest, fastest, and electric. The biggest, or heaviest, fish is the ocean sunfish, which can weigh as much as 5,000 pounds. The longest fish is the whale shark, which has been known to grow to over 40 feet long. The fastest fish is a sailfish, which can swim as fast as 68 miles per hour. The smallest fish is the dwarf goby, at only 9 millimeters long. An electric eel can produce a powerful jolt of electricity of up to 600 volts. What fish eat? Most fish eat meat. Some eat tiny plants. Sharks and other big fish eat smaller fish. Some sharks eat seals. Some fish have large, sharp teeth. Sharks and other big fish grab their prey and bite it. Other fish suck prey into their mouths and use smaller teeth to grind them up. Some fish do not have teeth. Their mouths sift tiny plants and animals from the water. In the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches, the bodies of some fishes have chemicals that make a glowing light to attract prey. How fish reproduce. Female fish lay eggs. Most kinds of female fish lay their eggs right in the water. Males fertilize the eggs. Some fish lay their eggs in nests on the bottom of a lake or ocean and guard the nests. Some male and female fish mate. Female guppies and sharks keep the eggs in their bodies until the baby fish hatch. Female pipefish and seahorses give the eggs to the male to take care of. Fish and people. Fish are very important to people. People all over the world eat fish. People catch fish to sell. They catch fish for sport. You can keep fish as pets. In some parts of the ocean, people are catching too many fish. In some lakes and rivers, pollution kills fish. Governments pass laws to limit fishing and clean up polluted water. These laws help keep fish from disappearing. Thank you for watching this video. Watch similar videos via hashtags. Hashtags: Encyclopedia, Animals, Sea Animals, Fish. Please do visit kimati.com. Please write to us and help us improve our videos. You can email us at admin@kimati.com. Let's learn about fish and animals that breathe water and can weigh 5,000 pounds.